Hey friends, I'm Stacy.
And I'm Kevin. Okay, we are currently living in our Class C motorhome that we affectionately call the cottage.
One of the things that I love to do when we're camping is have a fire. And campsites usually have their very own little fire pit that you can use of some kind. So let's show you the fire pit that they have at this campsite. So we have a nice little fire pit here. What's that made out of? A tire rim?
Yeah, it's a wheel from like an 18-wheeler or something.
Which is really nice because it has some ventilation to have a nice fire. You can get a lot of wood in there, and that's really nice to have, except we're living in our cottage.
And when you're living in a camper, you have a limited wardrobe. And if you sit outside with a smoky fire, you smell like smoke. You bring it inside, everything smells like smoke. You have limited clothing, so you can't really afford to get stinking unless you're heading to the laundromat the next day.
Not only that, you also have to have firewood all the time. So that's another piece that you have to have. Not only that, you also have to have a steady supply of firewood. So to remedy the whole smoke thing and having to have the firewood all the time, we've decided to break down and get one of the portable gas fireplaces. We ordered it from Amazon. You can go to our website at www.befreebenson.com to see what we ordered, and everything that we got will be located on that website. But we're super excited to get that out and see how that works.
So let's unbox that together. So this one wasn't too expensive on Amazon, and we got the 19-inch because we felt like that was plenty adequate versus the 24-inch. And this one is called an Outland Fire Bowl. We're going to see what kind of quality we're dealing with here. The outside of the box seems pretty sturdy. It's got some instructions and an owner's manual that's actually quite nice. It's in color.
This is what Kevin will look at because I always just throw these away because I have the internet.
And it comes with a cardboard frisbee. It's got some styrofoam around.
It looks like it's pretty much put together, yeah. So there's not a lot of installation.
Oh, looks like some kind of ring.
Ooh.
And I'll hold this up if you'll pull the box up.
It even has the...
Oh, the stones.
It even comes with stones as well, so you don't have to get those separate. I wasn't sure if it would.
And they're not that heavy. Must be the lava stones. They provide a ring for you to sit your actual LP canister in. And we are going to cut off the zip ties that hold the hose. Ooh, nice long hose. Wow. That's pretty good. That's probably 8-10 foot hose right there. That's pretty good.
One really good thing is that there isn't very much assembly. It pretty much comes together right out of the box. You need to put the stones in there, whatever you call those things, the lava rocks.
Yep.
You need to put the rocks in there, but for the most part, you're pretty much ready to go. One thing you will need though is an LP tank. It does not come with an LP tank.
So according to the instructions, probably the only thing you'd need to look for is how to put like the rocks. They say to put the 2 medium bags of rocks in first and then the large bag. So they give you a little bag of extra rocks just in case, I guess, if you lose a few along the way. So if you got a little extra, we'll just keep it in the bag.
So the next step, now that we have it in the spot that we want it, is to connect the LP gas, which is pretty simple. We're just going to screw that onto the top of the canister. Okay, now that we have it on the LP tank, we're ready to move the tank away from the little fire pit, because they say to have it at least 3 feet away, which is why you have such a long, I don't know what you call this thing, but it's long. And they provide you with this nice little ring to put your LP tank on. All right, now we're ready to go ahead and start it and see how it works. So you can see that there's a little knob at the bottom that you turn, that turns it on and that lights it.
Okay, so this doesn't come with an igniter, but of course you can always light it with a lighter. So that's one thing. I'd like to see one with an igniter on it, just so I don't have to keep track of this. Well, that's what happens when you leave the gas on too long before you figure out how to light this.
You almost got your pants on fire. Are you okay?
I smell singed hair, but yet I don't have any hair. Are my eyebrows okay?
Don't do that.
No.
So on the outside of the knob, well, you'll notice on the knob that there are two flames. One is bigger than the other. So you can actually turn the flame down and have a very low flame. And you can turn it up if it's chilly and you want it to be a little bit warmer. And let me just say, this puts some heat out. So this is an instant fire, and it's also really warm too if you want it to be warm. I'm assuming that, yeah, it's okay to cook your marshmallows over that, or your hot dogs, or whatever you might want to have at your campfire, or just sit out and enjoy the fire. So this is super nice.
I'm going to start it the right way this time. These new lighters, you got to pull them back rather than push it forward.
So this works perfectly, and I love it. It's super convenient. It gives us a little campfire, no smoke, it's smokeless, no smoky smell. This is a win-win.
I'm really surprised at how much flame this actually puts out. It really is nice. This is kind of on medium right now, and it's kicking it out.
I really like this. So if you're interested in something like this for your camper, you can check out a link to everything and a link to this product at our website at www.befreebenton.com. And for more videos like this, you can check out our YouTube channel, go to our playlist, and you can see all kinds of things that we have for camping, Jeeps, things like that. So,
and if you found value in this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and also subscribe to our channel. It really does help us out.
As always, get out there, try some new things, and be free.
Be free.
See you in the next video.